I've recommended them to all my neighbors. I just recently moved here from my house on the water, which had a beautiful sunroom. And when I came here, I decided that's what I wanted to do here too. So we started shopping around, contacted Jantac, and was very impressed with their product. The construction of the sliders and the transom windows were the best I had seen around. My other sunroom, I lived in that sunroom. I had Christmas Eve dinner in that sunroom. There was no way I was going to move here and not have a sunroom. When we went to Jantac's showroom, they had exactly what I wanted. They have like a sample there almost. You can visualize the sunroom. They're professional. Everybody calls you back. Any questions we had were answered. I had a great experience. I've recommended them to all my neighbors.